Hey everyone, welcome back to Frankly Speaking. I cannot think of a more perfect way to celebrate spring than with this delicious lemon bar smoothie. As you know, I like all of my smoothies to taste like desserts. So this smoothie tastes very close to a lemon bar pastry. If you like lemon, then you're gonna love this. Okay, let's get started with our recipe. Please be aware that everything I do technically serves two. Now, I'm a very hungry man and I like a nice big drink in the morning. Boy, it's like an alcoholic. Although I might get a drink later. So just so that you are aware, this particular smoothie is definitely not low fat, but it is very filling and it is a perfect breakfast in the morning or post-workout shake. So in this smoothie, I did juice my own lemons. I think that it's better to go with fresh lemons as opposed to the store-bought juice. That lemon juice tends to be a little acrid, is that what we're looking for? It's very acidic, it's not very good on the stomach. Fresh lemons are a little bit more kind. Here I've just about 3 lemons, but I probably won't use all of it. I would say let's start with about half a cup of lemon juice. And if it's not lemony enough, I can always add more later. But don't add too much or else your face is gonna be like... Okay, adding frozen ingredients first. I have one really ripe banana. If your bananas are not ripe, you can always add maple syrup or agave or some sort of sweetener to sweeten that up. Additionally, I have some frozen avocado. This is one small avocado. If you're using a large avocado, about half will do. So why did the lemon go to dinner with the prune? Because he couldn't get a date. So we're gonna add some dates to this, and the dad joke is free. So as far as dates go, I usually add about 6 or 7. I would say maybe like about a third of a cup of dates or so if you're to measure it out. And we're gonna add about 2 cups of my favorite greens mix. This one is baby kale, baby spinach, and baby chard. So again, I have one frozen banana, really ripe. I have about half a cup of frozen avocado, about a third a cup or 6 or 7 dates, and about 2 cups of greens. Next, let's add the liquids. Today I'm going to use flax milk. So I like flax milk because, well, several reasons. One, it doesn't have very overpowering flavor, but also flax milk is very low calorie. So when I'm making a smoothie like this that has lots of fats and calories already, I want to kind of cut down that sugar a little bit. And one way is to make sure that my plant-based milks don't have as much sugar. Don't want to go into insulin shock. Also realize that this is a high-calorie smoothie with lots of fat and sugar, so this is meant to be 2 servings. Next up is the lemon juice, freshly squeezed. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So today I'm going to use cashew butter, I would say about 2 tablespoons. Which I don't measure, so 1 and 2. And some for me, and none for you. Okay, let's do our first blend before I add my dry ingredient. Okay, next up is my protein powder. Vanilla protein powder. You can use an unflavored protein powder if you like and just add a little extra vanilla extract. That is up to you. Or as Tabitha Brown would say, because that's your business. I always like to do a second blend with my dry ingredients because I find that it cuts down on, you guessed it, I feel like that's become a running joke now. People seem to like the fart sound effects. I get those sound effects from a company called Epidemic Sound, and there are hundreds of farts and burps. When I first got the membership, I think I spent at least an hour just going through different farts trying to find the perfect fart for the video, so I hope you appreciated it. I mean, who doesn't love a good fart joke? I am, and always will be, and always will have, the sense of humor of a 15-year-old boy. Okay, let's get that next blend. Alright, let's give it a test. Thick. Don't lick blades at home. Okay, this is ridiculously the same thing as a lemon bar dessert, except it's healthy. I mean, honestly, I don't think you will find much difference. So if you like lemons, and if you like lemon bar pastries, then this is definitely, sorry, my lips are, I'm getting that lemon effect. Very lemony. Definitely will wake you up and energize you in the morning. both a pre and post workout drink. Definitely will cheer you up on a rainy day like we're having in San Diego this week. Smoothie recipes are also very flexible. You could add anything to this to zest it up. You could add some coconut, another fruit like a strawberry or blueberry, just a little bit. That might go really well with this. The possibilities are practically endless. So I hope you enjoy the lemon bar smoothie. If you like it, please let me know in the comments below. Additionally, if you have any smoothie recipes that you would like me, or any other recipes for that matter, that you would like me to try out for the channel, please let me know and I'll be more than happy to give it a shot. I'm only Frankly Speaking. I do videos on veganism, smoothies, teaching, fun things to do in San Diego, any other crazy ideas I might have. So if you've been watching my videos and if you like my content so far, please feel free to hit the subscribe button. If you haven't checked out my videos, I'll leave some links in the comments below. Enjoy, and see you next time. Is this shirt too berry-ish? It's post-winter weight, so it looks like a little blueberry, a little round. Play with that. So look at this yummy, delicious. Look at this yummy, I don't know if you can see like this, I'm pouring it everywhere. Look at this delicious lemon texture. What am I doing? I can just pour it in a glass for you. So this smoothie is about 500 million calories, so make sure you only have one serving at a time, unless you've had a really good workout. I'm really gonna enjoy this tomorrow. You know what? I bet it's a great hangover, a next day hangover breakfast. Very hydrating. Once you get past that